Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. Our today's new idiom is back the wrong horse. The meaning of this idiom is to support a person or an effort that fails. Or else you can say to make the wrong decision and support a person or action that is later unsuccessful. I hope the meaning is clear. Now that we know the meaning of the idiom, let's learn how to use it in a sentence. Our first example is the company has been losing money and many investors are beginning to feel that they may have backed the wrong horse. Or else you can say, don't back the wrong horse, you know he cannot win the elections. Our third example is she is backing the wrong horse if she continues supporting her friend for the job. And our fourth example is when I voted for him, I was convinced he would win, but I backed the wrong horse. I hope all the four examples are clear to you. Please let me know your opinions in the comment section below. Our second new idiom is be a chicken. The meaning of this idiom is being afraid or scared, or else you can say a coward. I hope the meaning is clear. Now that we know the meaning of the idiom, let's learn how to use it in a sentence. Our first example is we have come all this way to do a bungee jump. Stop being such a chicken and get ready to jump. Our second example is come and swim with us. The water is not cold. Stop being such a chicken. Our third example is there is nothing to be scared of. Don't be a chicken. And our last example is stop being a chicken and just go. I hope all the four examples are clear to you. Please let me know your opinions in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing and informative content. Thank you so much.